Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Imade Cinta Mutiara. Today, I will review the contract agree Bisado Mihata to Lia Dewiani as manager PT Citose International Tbk. I will first introduce the contract that I will be reviewing. Type of contract is employment contract. 10 points detail the content of the contract agreed Bisado Mihata with PT Citose International Tbk. The validity period of contract which began on November 14, 2018. And to make it easier for you to understand the contract that I will review, then I provide links and barcode that you can all access. If everything is done, let's review to the first part of the contract. In the contract overview itself, there is a statement that this contract was made on November 14, 2018 in Cimahi, West Java, Indonesia. The people who agree in the contract are Lia Dewiani as manager of PT Citose International Tbk and Sado Mihata as the employee. In this slide, there are the first term and condition that Sado Mihata will agree. 2. The duration of the work of contract. The contract explains that Sado Mihata will be contract to work for 20 months and will be assigned after this contract is agreed upon. Then there is an opportunity to extend the contract if Sado Mihata performance is deemed satisfactory by the company. In this section, the contract will explain the position and duty of Sado Mihata later as marketing advisor, and it is also written that the company will have the right to change the job description at any time according to the circumstance and needs of the company, but still with the approval of Sado Mihata. In this section, the contract will explain the salary that Sado Mihata will get. Every month, Sado Mihata's salary will be paid in rupiah and a net salary system. That's why Mihata's salary tax will be borne by the company. Sado Mihata will be based at the head office which is in Cimahi, West Java, Indonesia. In this part of contract, the company facilitates and provides benefit to Sado Mihata in the form of medical, leave, and aid passage. For medical itself, if Sado Mihata does outpatient care, the costs will be borne by the company. For leave, if Sado Mihata contract has expired, Sado Mihata is given the right to take time off work. And the last is the aid passage facility. This facility is given to Sado Mihata to return to his home country if the contract has been complete. In this part of the contract, the company emphasizes that if Sado Mihata violates the terms and conditions that apply to the company can immediately dismiss Sado Mihata without further notice or compensation within a period of no later than 7 days, and the company will revoke all facility given earlier. In this part of the contract, Sado Mihata is required to follow the laws and regulations in Indonesia, and this contract is subject to the laws and regulations in Indonesia. In this part of the contract, the company only requires Sado Mihata to work 5 days a week, excluding weekend and public holidays, and 8 hours a day, excluding 1 hour for lunch break. If there is unfinished work that Sado Mihata wants to complete, then it's allowed if Sado Mihata agrees to it. In the second point, the company does not allow Sado Mihata to conduct business or work for other organizations directly or indirectly without the consent of the company. In this section of the contract, it is explained that either party can terminate the contract at any time within 30 days in the form of a written notice. If the employee has difficulty obtaining a visa permit from a government agency or one of the parties violates the company regulation or even the Republic of Indonesia. In this part of the contract, it is explained that if at any time one of the parties involved in this contract wants to sue, the Indonesia jurisdiction will be the place of jurisdiction for resolving this dispute. And before further action, both parties previously agreed to use the contract in English. In the last section of the contract, it is reaffirmed that this contract is valid for a 20 months from the signing of this contract. That is from November 14, 2018 until November 14, 2019, unless the contract is terminated earlier by the relevant party. And this agreement is concluded with the signature of each party as a sign of their agreement for this contract. The conclusion of the contract that I review was the effective date is November 14, 2018 until November 14, 2019, which is 20 months after the contract was made. And this contract is for Sadumi Hatta as a new employee in this company. The position that will be occupied by Sadumi Hatta is marketing advisor. Placement of work Sadumi Hatta is at the head office of PT Citose International Tbk, Cimahi, West Java, Indonesia. The benefits of the facility obtained are the coverage of medical expense if Sadumi Hatta is sick, work leave, and airplane ticket for Sadumi Hatta if this contract has expired. The working hours are full-time, 5 days a week, and 8 hours a day excluding 1 hour lunch. Sadumi Hatta salary will be paid in rupiah every month, and the salary earned by Sadumi Hatta is a net salary. For termination of employment, if Sadumi Hatta has difficulty obtaining a visa permit from the government agency or one of the party, the contract violates the existing regulation. This termination can be carried out. In my personal opinion, there are advantages and disadvantages of the contract agreement that I review. Advantage of the contract: benefit are medical, leave and air passage, net salary, promotion, and observance of law. Whereas the disadvantage of this contract are accommodation and pick-up transportation are not provided for Sadumi Hatta. Of course, as foreign worker, Sadumi Hatta does not have a house to live and physical for his accommodation here. I think it would be better if the company thought more about this for Sadumi Hatta welfare rights. Maybe that's all the contract review from me. If there is input and suggestion for me that are more constructive, please contact me through the available contact. Thank you and have a great day all.